Hi, welcome to my channel. So, have you ever looked at a diamond and thought, wow, that's so gorgeous, but maybe it's a little bit out of budget? What if I were to tell you that there are two stunning diamond alternatives that are as dazzling, budget friendly, and also ethical? One of them is moissanite, which is so brilliant that it even outshines natural diamond, and the second one is cubic zirconia CZ, also popularly known as American diamond, that is so budget friendly that it lets you change styles every day. Before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to my channel by hitting on the bell notification icon for more fascinating tips, tricks and trivia related to jewelry. Before we dive in, let's clear something up. Both moissanite and cubic zirconia are simulated diamonds, meaning they are designed to look like diamonds but their chemical composition is different from real diamonds. On the other hand, they are lab grown diamonds which are synthetic diamonds, means they are identical to naturally occurring diamonds, it's just that they are made in a lab. But that doesn't mean that moissanite is a fake diamond. It is a different stone altogether, made up of silicon carbide, a compound of carbon and silicon. Cubic zirconia is made up of zirconium dioxide, whereas natural diamonds or lab-grown diamonds are made up of pure carbon. These differences they affect how they sparkle, their durability, and how they wear out. Let's check them out. So, what is moissanite and cubic zirconia? First up is moissanite. It was actually discovered in a meteorite. Yes, literally from outer space. But since naturally occurring moissanite is incredibly rare, most of the moissanite that we see in jewelry today is made in a lab. Cubic zirconia, or also known as American diamond or AD, is actually a man-made crystal which closely resembles the look of a diamond. It has been around since 1970s, and since then it has been one of the most affordable options for jewelry that looks like diamond. Now, if you're planning to wear jewelry for a long time, you'll want to know about hardness, basically how well it resists scratches. Mohs scale measures a mineral's hardness on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, and diamond is at 10, ranking at the highest. Moissanite is almost as hard as diamond at 9.25, making it super durable, which means that it can withstand daily wear and is likely to remain scratch free for years. CZ on the other hand is at 8.5 and is much softer, which means that with over time and with daily use it will develop tiny scratches and lose some of its sparkle, but for occasional and trendy wear CZ still is a fantastic option. Alright, now let's talk about brilliance and fire. Brilliance is how much of white light is reflected, and fire is how much of rainbow light or the entire light spectrum is reflected. Moissanite has a higher refractive index and has more fire than a diamond, which means it reflects rainbow-like colors when it catches the light. Moissanite's refractive index is around 2.65 to 2.69 compared to a diamond's 2.42, making it even sparklier than a diamond. CZ, on the other hand, has a very clear icy brilliance, closer to how a flawless diamond looks in perfect lighting. It does not have as much fire, but it does give off that clean, bright shimmer. The good news is both moissanite and cubic zirconia come in almost any shape you can think of. So whether you like oval, round, princess, cushion, baguette, marquise, emerald cut, there's a piece for you. Whether you want something like a classic round cut or a bold emerald cut statement piece, both moissanite and cubic zirconia have you covered. So when should you opt for moissanite and when should you go for cubic zirconia? Both are great alternatives that pair well both with Indian as well as Western wear. Moissanite is perfect if you're looking for long-lasting everyday pieces that stay brilliant over time, and CZ is amazing if you love switching jewelry styles and like something that is affordable, trendy and easy to replace. Think destination weddings, think travel, think parties. So what's your pick? Moissanite's long-lasting brilliance or trendy fun sparkle of CZ? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks and trivia. Stay sparkly until next time.